community. Alam mo yung community? Ano yung community? Yes. Diyan tayo member. Member tayo lahat. Tayo ang bumubuo ng community. It's you open community. It's you open community. It's you open community. It's you open community. Roll over the ocean, roll over the sea, roll over the ocean in the deep blue sea. Roll over the ocean, roll over the sea. Ganyan, community. Wala na nga. Ngayon mahirap lang. Ito. Maximize. Enhancement. Yan. Influence. Tandaan mo. Ito, ano lang. Meron ka dapat daily routine na araw-araw na magbabasa ka. Ito ba mo